Shelby, is it Fan Friday? Shiloh, is it Fan Friday? Say, it's Fan Friday. Alright, we have a couple questions from you guys this week. We tried to theme them as some Halloween type questions since, you know, Halloween is coming on Monday. What, you want to see my questions? They're on my paper. You want to jump up here while we do this? Okay, you don't have to. First question is from Molly. Molly wants to know what Shiloh and Shelby think of people in costumes. Shiloh and Shelby don't really react to people in costumes, not even in full masks. We have a couple good full masks and they don't really seem to care. I think they know it's people. Salem wants to know, what's our favorite Halloween movie? Do you have a favorite Halloween movie? Do you have a favorite Halloween movie? Here, we'll give you a hint. What do you think our favorite Halloween movie is? I'm just gonna give you a really subtle hint here, but it might have something to do with that right there. Nightmare Before Christmas is my favorite Halloween movie. The Five Sibes want to know, what is Shiloh and Shelby's favorite Halloween snack? I would have to say it's raw pumpkin. When we're downstairs carving pumpkin, Shiloh and Shelby have a tendency to come down and visit and pick up lots of pieces of pumpkin off the floor and out of the garbage. Not you, huh? You don't pick it out of the garbage. So I'd have to say their favorite Halloween snack is raw pumpkin. Riley the Lab, Eric, and Paige all want to know if Shiloh and Shelby ever wear costumes. You guys must not have seen Wednesday's video. In Wednesday's video, which I'll put a link right here, we showed Shiloh and Shelby wearing costumes, and we kind of showed why they don't wear costumes on Halloween. This dog especially. Shiloh's pretty good with it, as you'll see in the video, but Shelby, not so much. Brandy from Facebook wants to know, what's my favorite costume that I've worn. I'll put a picture up over here. Jamie and I went as Jack and Sally a couple times, and I'll put a picture up there. You know, it's hard to say. I like those costumes, but the costumes we wore last year I really enjoyed too. I'll put a picture of those ones up right there. Jamie was the patch master. Huh. Jamie was the patch master and I was a devil, and those costumes turned out really cool, so I'll show you pictures of both of them. Shelby, do you got your fish? You got your fish, Shelby? You got your fish? Bev wants to know what our most memorable Halloween was. Really? I think it'd probably have to be Halloween 2008, only because we made the it's like the third front page of the paper. That was a really cool year that they actually did a full page spread on what we do. So that was the first one that came to my mind when I read the question, so that's the answer I'm going to give you. I think that's the most honest answer. Don't forget, Shiloh's birthday is coming up. It's on November 8th. She'll be 10 years old. You look tired today, honey. You got to play with puppies today. You got to play with 2 different dogs today. She'll be 10 years old. If you guys want to send things to her in the mailbox, you can do that. Or if you have pictures you want to mail her or a birthday card, we're going to put it all together in a birthday video for her, kind of like what we did for Shelby. If you have drawings or anything that you want to submit on Facebook, we'll also be putting those in there. So you can put them on the Facebook fan page, or you can email us, or you can send them to our P.O. box, which is listed in the description below, and it'll also be listed towards the end of this video. Happy Halloween, you guys. What do you think of that? Say happy Halloween. Say, no, I want to go to sleep. I played with Doggy and I played with Sunshine, and now I'm tired. Okay, you go to sleep. I'm going to go to sleep too. Right? Oh, and if you guys want to see what's going on with the pumpkins, make sure to check out our vlog channel at youtube.com/withoutthesnowdogs. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Don't forget, if you guys would like to send us anything in the mail, our P.O. Box address is GonetotheSnowDogs, P.O. Box 12, Alpena, Michigan, 49707. And if you have questions for Fan Friday, you can leave them on our Facebook page or on our Twitter page, which are listed on the screen. Thanks for watching, you guys.